Welcome to this Fixit channel, and if you are using Windows 10, and then you probably are, because the majority of you are on the Fall Careers Update, that's version 1709 that was released last fall, well, you've got a cumulative update for bug fixes, so why not check it out and apply the updates if you have issues. Um, you don't have to, rush it. There's no security problems in here. It's really just bug fixing. But it is, if you've got something that's wrong or doesn't work like it should, maybe that will actually help you out. And it follows last week. Last week there were two cumulative updates. Well, one for the original Creators update and one for the anniversary update, actually. So if you are still on these older versions, you had these two updates last week, which were also bug fixes, including there are some bug fixes in here that I noticed are also some of the bug fixes that appeared in the last week's update. So kind of interesting to see this. So apply them if you, of course, have issues. It might fix some of these issues, and if you've got no issues, well, it's a cumulative update that is supposed to be there to make your Windows 10 operating system a little more stable depending on situations. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.